The right tools for the job. The DIY dream. Rick is inquiring about the tools he needs for a home improvement project.
Hello, I'm looking to get some tools for a DIY project, but I don't know where to start.
No problem. Let's start from scratch. First, you need some basic hand tools.
Well, I've already got a couple of simple ones, a hammer and a screwdriver.
You might also consider tools for woodworking, like a chisel to cut wood.
Okay, what about tools for tackling electrical work?
For that, pliers and cutters would come in handy to grip and cut wires or pipes.
Okay, sure. Do you think power tools are necessary?
In terms of efficiency, they will be a lot of help if you need to install something complicated. However, they require maintenance.
I see. And I already have a roller and a brush for painting. Is that enough?
You may need a putty knife to scrape off the old paint before you start.
Great. Now I think I have a clearer picture of my project. Thanks a lot.
Sure thing. Good luck with your project.